Good day everyone, my name is Tsepo Piri, co-founder of FX Click. Today I'm going to be discussing candlesticks. They're very important. Candlesticks indicate two things. In your own words, before I go on, in your own words, in your own mind, what do you think candlesticks represent? In my own words, they represent two things. They represent inflow of money and how many traders are coming in. And this might be called volume. Volume in terms of how many traders are trading, and volume in terms of how much money is coming in. But the very important part is how much money is coming in, because you have to know forex trading is about money, people. If you get money coming in, and then the market will either be bearish or bullish. In this instance, the market was bearish. That's what I'm going to be discussing as GBP JPY on the 15-minute time frame. So we have two things. Sometimes my mouse doesn't move, that's why I wrote these things. We have a bearish momentum. It's up there, it's written bearish momentum. That means that's where the momentum, the market started turning bearish. And you have to look at the candlestick that followed it. We have a long bearish candlestick here. We have a long bearish candlestick here that covers about 1, 2, 3 candlesticks, bullish candlesticks. So that means money came in here, people were coming in here, and then here we have a long one going down. That means money came in and people started buying their positions. If you sell, if you execute a trade and you execute a sell, in order for you to get out, you have to buy that position. Someone has to buy that position. If you're buying and you want to get out, someone you have to sell that position, meaning you're selling your position. If you go in and you bought and you want to get out, you are selling. If you went in and you sold, if you want to get out, you are buying. That's simple. So now we got this candlestick. I'm gonna be discussing this candlestick here. You see this momentum going down here. I'm talking about this candlestick here, this one here. It started from here until here. You see that candlestick, it covered this whole entire area, this entire area on your left. It covered it. So many people might go in and they might make money. They will go in and start buying. They might make it's about 31 pips. They might go in here again thinking that the market is moving up. But I wouldn't go in, I wouldn't touch this market here because of this traffic here. I wouldn't even touch it here. I'm talking about this one here. I'm talking about this one here. I wouldn't even go in here because there's a lot of traffic here. I wouldn't even go in here. But as you see, and again, something happens here on this part here. You get this bearish candlestick going down, and then after that, the following candlestick don't even cover the wick of this candlestick. Okay, we have this one here going up and going down. Clearly tells you this market has a lot of bearish momentum still remaining in it. It has a lot. I'm talking about this candlestick here. There is it there. You see it went up and it went down again. After that, what happened? You got this a smaller bearish candle, a bullish candle, smaller bullish candle, and you got this one here which was bearish again. After that, you got this one, this one moving down, and it's a huge candle. It covers this entire area down here. It covers this entire area down here. So this clearly indicates that this market again has gained momentum again. Someone will go in here, you'll get this, and they will get scared. Shit, this market is moving up again. They might hit my stop loss. My stop loss would be here, somewhere here. I'd put it here. Because I always calculate 100 points above the candlestick that confirmed my buy, my sell or my buy. So I would enter here, including spread as well. My stop loss would be here. With correct money management, it will be here, and this market moved down until here. From here, you get this area here, this area down here. Let me just move this area down here. You get this area down here. Let me just change the color. Put this here. change the color, make it so you have this area down here. That's where you see that the market doesn't do anything from here, and there's a lot of traffic also here. So I wouldn't even trade here. I will look for momentum going up or going down. If it breaks this level down here, the red part here, down here, then I will be thinking of a sell. But if it doesn't, I will be looking for a buy. You know, I'll be looking for a buy. And after this here, okay, this one formed, this thing formed here. This one here, I will go in for a buy here. I'll go in for a buy. As I said, 100 points below. There's my 100 points. There's my stop loss. Then I'm fine. I'm fine with this one. It might come down, and some people might get some ideas that this market is going down. I would wait. I have a stop loss. If my stop loss does not get hit, and I won't close my trades, because I know I have a take profit and a stop loss for a reason. Not just to decorate my charts or make my charts look fancy. No, I have my stop loss and I have my take profit for a reason. If my stop loss got hit, I was wrong. I'm out. I'm fine. I'll go back and analyze and see where I went wrong. You know. So there is it, moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. And then it's not a lot of points per se, but you know, you could have made money here. It's about 500 pips. It's 503 points, 500 pips, and we're fine. Again, here's another momentum forming here, going down, forming this. I would say it's a lower, it's a lower high, because here's our higher high, and then this is our higher low, and this one is lower than this. So this is a low. It's a lower high. It's a lower high. So I didn't enter this one. I entered Euro JPY. I entered Euro JPY. As you can see, it's forming a lot of a suspicious candle here. So I will look at it. If it goes, if it doesn't hit my stop loss, I won't go out. If it goes down, I'll trail my stop going down. You know, there's it here. As I said, look at your candlestick. They indicate money coming in, and being a forex trader, money is very important. The more money coming into the market, the more volatility will get, the more movement will get into the market. So if you see never mind whether it's a news or something is happening, you look at the overall momentum, where it has shifted, and you look after the news what happens. If that candle doesn't close or doesn't cover the candle that has formed, then you have to know the momentum is strong, is huge, whether going down or going up. So you have to take that into consideration and start trading momentum. I know some people are using their RSIs, they're using the stochastic, they're using all sort of indicators. It's fine. If it works for you, it's fine. I'm using price action, and this is what I wanted to explain. You know, watch the momentum. Watch the momentum. Here's what this one was a clear indication. This one was a clear indication. Let me just make it gold, because there's a golden moment. This one, you see, this was a clear indication. This market is moving down. You know, this was just to confuse some people, and some people might have made money here. You know, some people might have made money, but I wouldn't go in here. I would wait for it to break this, and here's a candle that breaks this moment, this craziness here. Goes down, I'm in. Put my stop loss here, I'm good. You know, that's how I trade. You know, you can take this. If you want me to teach you this method, I'll charge you for it. I'm not gonna charge you crazy amounts. You know, just call me, just email me, do anything that you want to do. I'm here all the time. I'm trading. I'm a full-time trader. I don't do anything else. I'm a full-time trader. So it's money. My Facebook handle is our Facebook handle is at FXClick. Our page is FXClick. Twitter at FXClick. Instagram FXClick. You know, just contact me if you want some help. Contact me. Our website currently is down. I don't know what's happening with it. It's currently down. We're having some disputes with the hosting company. It's down for a moment. So just contact me on Facebook, FXClick. Find us there. Instagram FXClick. Twitter FXClick. As I said, my name is Tshepo Phiri, co-founder of FXLink. Thank you and bye.